In order to control the horse, you must first know how the horse is built, how its skeletal, muscular, and ligament system work together. Then you will know how to ride him. The most elemental function of the skeleton is to provide the stiff, rigid part of the mechanism for resisting the force of gravity. It is also gives support for the muscles and protection for the internal organs. Muscles are one of the most important components in the horse's body. Without them, the horse would be unable to walk, chew food, or switch his tail. There are various types of muscles performing a wide variety of duties, but basically they all function in the same general way. A period of contraction or shortening of muscle fibers, followed by a period of muscle relaxation. Tendon and ligaments are belts and cables that hold bones in place and allow the muscles to do their job in creating propulsion to move this mass of horse forward. To move the horse forward, I need to move his feet. To move his feet, I must first have control of the three main parts of his body.